Alright everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to add scenes into your GFXs. Now as you see, I already kind of set up a little scene, not a scene, but like a pose and a little thing real quick, just to save myself some time. But to start off, what you want to do is you want to go into Sketchfab or CG Trader or any of the websites I mentioned in my other video. I'll leave a link to that video for models and other stuff in the description. So let me just go into Sketchfab real quick. Now in Sketchfab, I already searched up room, and as you can see, I came up with a lot. Now a lot of these are free, some of them are paid, of course. But I came out with a lot. Let me just go with something simple. Let's go with this abandoned brick room. And once you find something that you like, what you want to do is just click on it, and you want to check the downloads to make sure it's safe. Something with low downloads just might have virus, just be aware of that. But after that, you just want to go to download 3D model, and you want to go all the way down to GLB. And as you see, there's going to be two types, texture size 4K and texture size 1K. If you have a good laptop or a good computer, I would go with the higher quality, so that's what I'm going to do. But if you don't, lower quality is just as good as well, just probably won't have that great of textures. Just be aware of that. But once you see it downloaded, just go back into Blender. Now in Blender, you just want to go to File, Import, GLTF, and you just want to find where you put it at. There we are. And one thing that's going to be obviously clear is that it's way too small for our rig. So you just want to hit S and expand it. There we are. And you just want to set it up. There we go. Alright, now as you see, I picked a pretty plain room, just for this example that you can add into your scenes. So since it's so simple, you could go into something like Blender Kit and just look up like models like chair, and you can just add models into this scene. As you see, I already have a light source, but the scene itself, like this whole building, already has its own lighting source. So sometimes you don't have to worry about lighting the room, but just be aware that you might have to match the lighting of the room, so just be careful of that. But I picked an empty one like this just so I can add stuff into the scene pretty easily. But if you just want to spice up your scene a little bit, you can totally add in your own models. I thought that the chair kind of lagged out my computer for a second. But yeah, that's pretty much how you add a scene. Now of course you can always do it the old-fashioned way by making your own scene. I don't really recommend that for a beginner, especially if you have a commission with a deadline, because that takes time and you really have to learn how to use Blender's tools. So I hope this has really helped any beginners out there, because for me, when it came to scenes, I didn't know how to do them. So I just went to Sketchfab and found some models to help me make my own scenes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the Discord, and have a good day.